module, okay.
Yes, we got this one. Yes, down there, like a little brain, you know that. We got power.
You got power there, okay.
We got power there.
Okay.
And it's a wire harness going all the way to the pad. And we got
service person, okay. So my fuse box in this diagram is on this side, right?
on this side, but we got power on the controller right
Every
there.
fuse checks good. Okay, there's a 50 more fuses in the front here.
Yes, but we
Yep.
got power right here. The only one to control the pad.
So that light should turn on.
It should turn on, but it's not.
But it's not, so we got a break somewhere.
We got
We don't have a circuit.
we got a
It happened once before when this got hot from running at low voltage, high current. So when I turn these off and back on, at some point when it's cooled off enough, unless I've burned the wire completely up, but I don't want you to troubleshoot that.
Okay.
I will take out the rest of here from here.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
Because this could be very expensive, right? Yeah. I don't want to have to, your hours are very precious, right? So I'll bring you more work when we are ready. And tires and that type of thing.
Yeah, sure, definitely. Right now, you know how to do everything, and everything should work. Everything should be fine. After that one gets fixed, everything should be fine.
I'll check out. I'll find out where our circuit is disconnected.
Yeah, well, definitely. We got power on the brain box right there.
Okay.
So we got an issue somewhere right here. It don't set power to the motor.
Yep.
Also power to the solenoids.
But we heard the motor energized when you bypass it. Yeah.
But remember, we got a really low voltage.
And the valves are not controlled either. So the pump might be running, but if you can't control the valves,
you got to open which valve control, one for the front and one on
for the back. I agree. Yeah, 100%. So if you can write me a ticket, okay? Awesome. Thank you. That is excellent work.